Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Here I share recipes for delicious and healthy meals. Today we're making fettuccine alfredo. It's a simple recipe with just 3 ingredients. You can find even more recipes for delicious and simple dinners on our channel. Today we'll need 150 grams of fettuccine, 100 grams of butter, and 100 grams of Parmesan cheese. Many people add cream to the pasta, but the authentic recipe doesn't include cream. This is an extremely simple recipe that'll take you no more than 5 minutes. First of all, we need to heat up water for the pasta. We need to grate the Parmesan using the finest grater. We bought pre-grated cheese. Add the pasta to the hot water and cook until al dente. Put the butter in a heated pan and melt it. When the pasta is ready, transfer the pan with the butter, add 50 grams of Parmesan and a little of the pasta cooking water. Mix everything together. After that, add the second portion of Parmesan and a bit more water. Again, mix everything until the cheese is melted. Serve the classic Alfredo pasta on a plate. Add black pepper and salt to taste. Enjoy the classic Alfredo pasta. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!